Ma'am, kung
Pero
sakali.
sa nakita niyong nangyayari, I'm sure you're following the events, ano? Sa nakikita niyo, anong nakikita niyo doon sa pag-handle ng sitwasyon na yon? From the reported death doon, dinala daw sa ospital, pagdating doon, DOA na, kailan dapat inumpisahan yung autopsy?
I really don't know the details of the case. But yes, my comments about handling a death which happened inside a jail facility in other countries where you have a proper death investigation system at work, that is one case that automatically the death has to be investigated. You don't need a requesting party, consent from the relatives, and so on, simply because this is an individual under custody. The state has to check what happened.
Pwede pa ba yun? Yung tinagal nung time, the lapse between the death itself and the conduct of the autopsy, pwede pa ba yun?
I'm not that optimistic. I'm reviewing a lot of cases and I see a lot of lapses. The standards are really so poor in the Philippines. You have people not really trained to do the things that they're doing. Ang daming kulang. Like yung sinasabi na come on, you have people incarcerated in custody. Pag namatay yan, dapat yan, sasagutin mo yung basic issues of identification. Identity, siya ba yan? And the cause, and then the manner of death. You search for evidence, etc. Di ba, ang dami nung COVID lockdown time, ang daming supposedly namatay na preso.
Si JB ano?
Then,
si JB Sebastian?
Yeah.
Walang autopsy.
Questionable. Kasi sigurado ka bang yung tao na yun ang totoong namatay? Because that's another way of maybe spiriting them out of the of prison.
Yeah.
Tapos, and seriously, titingnan mo din yung conditions ng ng prison kasi, that's why you investigate deaths. You try and prevent the next ones. You learn from the deaths. But we don't do that in the Philippines. We just let them go, the cases.